Welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnah. This Mishnah is the Nishmas, Fredele Basrachel, Muschos Aved Yitzchak Ben Gila, and the Fuas, Tzur Basirish, the Fuas Shlema, some Sachas Bava Kama, Perak Vav, Mishnah Beis, and Mishnah Gimel, Hinicha Bachama, Isha Masar Lecher, Shet V'Katan, V'yatza V'zika Chayav. So we have a case here where someone locked his animal in properly, but it was in the sun, so the animal got very hot and it became uncomfortable, so it got angry and it managed to basically charge through the gates of this pen even because it was angry, because it was hot, or if he gave the keys over to a deaf mute or a crazy person or a child under Bava's mitzvah, and the animal got out and damaged, so then he has to pay for the damage. Musar l'raya, if it gave it over to a god, to a shepherd, nichnas l'raya tachtav, so then this god is instead of him, and if the animal does damage, the god has to pay for it. Nafal agina v'nene, so we have a case where it was on this guy's roof, and it fell off the roof into his friend's garden and started eating fruits, and it had benefit from the fruit. Meaning it was an ines, it was beyond his control that the animal got into the garden, but then it started eating over there and it got benefit, so Mishalem is Mashanene, so he only has to pay for the benefit, not for the damage. Yarda B'darka V'Hezika, if it naturally walked into the garden and started eating, so Yarda B'darka V'Hezika, Mishalem is Mashazika, sorry, and if it walked into the garden and it damaged, let's say walked over the fruits, then he has to pay for the damage. How much does he pay? We work out, let's say a base sa'ah, which is that amount, let's say the field is a base sa'ah, and he ate from a lot of the fruit, so we work out how much it was worth before he ate and how much it's worth now, and he pays the difference. Rabbi Shimon says that if the animal ate fully ripe fruits, then we sell them at market price, basically. And we pay literally according to the exact amount that he ate. If someone puts a silo of wheat in his friend's field without permission, the owner of the field, his animal ate some of this wheat, so then he doesn't have to pay. He doesn't have to pay because it's not his fault that this silo was put into his field. And if some damage was done because of the silo, so the animal's eating it, and it cut it or got stuck in its throat, so then he has to pay for the damage. If the owner of the field gave him permission to put the silo there, so then if his animal eats some of it, so then the owner of the field has to pay, and those are those Mishnayos.